Hey folks, a 360-degree camera is a fantastic way to capture high-quality video effortlessly while on the move, but deciding between two of the most popular models, the DJI Osmo 360 and the Insta360 X4, can be tricky. Both have earned ratings for their performance, making them strong contenders for anyone in need of an immersive shooting tool. While they share some similarities in functionality, there are distinct differences that could sway your decision depending on your priorities. In terms of pricing and bundles, the DJI Osmo 360 starts at £409, including the camera, one battery, a protective pouch, and a lens shield. DJI also offers bundles tailored for specific uses, such as the Adventure Combo, £539, with a longer selfie stick, extra batteries, and a charging case, or the Road Cycling First-Person Combo, £498 with mounts and a chest strap. The Insta360 X4, meanwhile, starts at £499 for the standard kit, which includes the camera and lens protector. The starter bundle, priced at £579, adds an extended selfie stick, lens cap, and spare battery. In both cases, a micro SD card is not included, so you'll need to buy one separately. Design-wise, the DJI Osmo 360 adopts a short, sturdy build that feels solid but isn't particularly sleek. At just 183 grams, it's very lightweight and boasts an IP68 rating, making it waterproof up to 10 meters without extra housing. The Insta360 X4, on the other hand, has a taller, thinner design with slightly protruding dual lenses and weighs 203 grams. It's also water-resistant up to 10 meters on its own, but with a dive case, it can handle depths of up to 50 meters, ideal for more serious underwater work. Both feature touchscreens and physical controls, though the Osmo 360 adds gesture control for hands-free operation, which is especially convenient when the camera is mounted out of reach. In terms of usability, both cameras are beginner-friendly, yet advanced enough for experienced creators. Each offers a live preview via its touchscreen and companion apps for expanded control and editing. The Insta360 X4's app features AI-based reframing and automated editing, while DJI's Mimo app allows quick edits on the go, and DJI Studio on desktop provides a deeper editing experience. The Osmo 360 also supports voice commands, adding another layer of convenience. When it comes to performance, both can record 8K video at up to 30 frames per second and switch to single-lens modes for traditional filming, with the Osmo 360 offering a boost video feature to keep the background in focus. The Insta360 X4 has an edge in frame rate flexibility, with 5.7K at 60 frames per second and a high-speed 4K at 100 frames per second mode for action shots, while the Osmo 360 matches the latter, but not the former. Battery life differs as well. The Osmo 360 offers up to 100 minutes at 8K at 30 frames per second, while the Insta360 X4 can stretch to 135 minutes at 5.7K at 30 frames per second. The Osmo 360 uses 1-inch sensors, giving it an advantage in low-light performance and color accuracy, delivering sharp, vivid footage even on overcast days. The Insta360 X4's flow state stabilization and horizon lock features keep footage smooth and level, even during intense motion, while the Osmo 360 matches this stability with its own robust stabilization system. For stills, the Osmo 360 captures single-lens images up to 30.72 megapixels and panoramic shots up to 120 megapixels, while the X4 offers 360 degrees photos up to 72 megapixels. Ultimately, both are excellent all-in-one 360 degrees cameras. The DJI Osmo 360 is a great starting point for newcomers thanks to its slightly lower base price, ease of use, and strong low-light performance. The Insta360 X4, while more expensive, offers higher frame rate options, greater underwater capability, and a more established place in the market for those who want a popular, well-supported device. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this comparison? Write your opinion in the comments. I will be interested to read. Have a nice day and God bless you.